Hi, welcome to Maths video class 6th, chapter 19. So we have finished 18th chapter and few doubts were there, so that doubts are also been cleared. So here is chapter 19. Why I have chapter 19? Because chapter 19 is in connection with chapter 18, okay? So it's compulsory for me to take 19th chapter immediately after 18th chapter because they are completely in connection, okay? So the chapter's name is Fundamental Operation related to algebraic expression. So 19th. Okay. Now basic concepts are, in mathematics, plus, minus, multiplication and division. This whole mathematics depends on these four operations. We say that these operations are the soul of mathematics. Okay. So plus, minus, multiplication and division are the basic operations of maths and fundamental operations of maths. Okay. So you know that. You know addition, you know subtraction, you know division and multiplication. So if we involve in this, all these four operations in this, algebraic expression, you should not feel difficult because you already know this. Okay. So next is addition of like terms that we are going to see. Now addition of like terms means first you should know what are like terms. And this we have already studied what are like terms. Okay. So those who have studied previous chapter thoroughly, they know what are like terms. Like terms means exactly same kind and type of variable. Okay. Means two or more than two terms which have same type, same kind of variables. So here if you will say 2a and 4a are like terms. Why 2a and 4a are like terms? Because a. If suppose one is a square and other is a, then they are not like terms. If one is a square, other must be a square. If one is a cube, other must be a cube. Okay. So now we'll see. Now you know what is like terms. What are like terms? Okay. So now we'll see how to add like terms. Okay, till now you had studied the basic of algebraic expression. Now you are studying the fundamental operations used on these algebraic expressions terms. Okay, so 2a plus 4a, both are like terms. Yes, first step to add terms is whether they are like, whether they are unlike. First step is to check whether they are like or unlike. If they are like terms, you can add them. If they are unlike terms, you cannot add them. Okay, so first step is check, are they like terms? A, exact. Yes, they are like terms. So how to add their coefficients, numerical coefficients. So 2 plus 4, 6. You can directly write down this step also. This for your understanding I have written. You can directly 2a plus 4a, 6a. You can go with the direct step also. There is no compulsion that you should follow this step. But for your understanding, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, a. A is common. So 2 plus 4, 6a. Similarly, next example, if you can see 4ac and 3ac. Check whether they are like terms or not. AC. Yes, they are like terms. So since they are like terms, I can add them. So 4 plus 3, 7. You know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So same thing you have to do here also. So 4 plus 3, 7. So here 7 AC. If you write only 7, you will get wrong. 0 marks because AC is very important. Okay. So 7 AC. Writing of 7 AC is very, very important. One mosquito is also trying to, it's not mosquito, it's type of very small insect. It's trying to study algebra, I think so. Okay. So now let's see. Addition is very important, children. But if minus sign comes, last year you had studied it. Okay. Plus, minus, minus. I hope you remember. Plus, minus, 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 plus and all those things. Okay. So same thing you have to follow here also. For that I have made some chart type. I always give to my students when I teach them subtraction. So some rules of sign is table. When you have two integers, two numbers, if both are plus positive numbers, what you have to do is you have to add them, and which sign you will put? Plus. For example, I have 2 and 3. What you have to do, because both are positive, plus 2 and plus 3. What I should do? I should plus them. 2 plus 3, 5. Which sign I should put? See, again it is coming. So which sign I should put? I should put plus sign. So it will be plus 5. So when I write 2 plus 3, 5, it will be only plus 5. Plus 5, I can write only 5. If one term or one number is plus and other number is minus, that time what I should do? I should subtract. And which sign? This number which is greater, I have to adopt its sign. For example, plus 5 plus or minus 3. Now you see, plus 5 minus 3. What I should do? Minus. So 5 minus 3, 2. Now which sign I should put, because I am confused between plus and minus? So the greater. Now which is greater? 5 is greater or 3 is greater? 5 is greater. What is 5 sign? Plus. So I will write only 2. Plus 2. Okay. See the next, minus plus, same thing. If I take it as minus 10 plus 3. What I should do? I should subtract. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, 7. And which is greater, 10 or 3? 10 is greater. What is 10 sign? Minus. So I will put minus. And you know minus minus, minus 4 minus 5. What I should do? Minus 4 minus sign. Minus 4 minus 5. I should add them. So 4 plus 5, 9. And which sign? Of course of minus. Okay. Or when both are positive numbers, add them, sign also positive. Both are negative. If both are negative, then also add them, but sign will come of minus. See. Okay. And if any one, these two cases, if any one of them is minus, then subtract them and put the sign of greater integer, whichever is greater. Okay. So this is the description. This last year we had studied, but then to have given it. Okay, so same. Now next example is dealing with it. So I have explained you there itself. So 4ab. Now question was add 4ab and minus 2ab. So 4ab plus. Now I have kept this minus 2ab in bracket. Now before that, again one rule is there. Before bracket, if plus sign is there, inside sign will not change. You have to what we have to do is we have to remove this bracket. Without removing the bracket, you won't be able to solve the next step. So if before bracket, if plus sign is there, then no need to change the sign inside. What I'll do, I'll write minus 2ab as it is. Okay. See. Why? See. Because 4ab minus 2ab, this before bracket plus sign is there. So this as it is will come. If here minus will be there, no, this will change. It will become minus. Okay, that we'll see in the next examples. So remember only one thing, before bracket if plus sign is there, inside term will not change its sign. It will come as it is. So 4ab minus 2ab. Now you know both are like terms. So 4 minus 2, 2ab, ab. Okay. Now this, take the next example, minus 9ab plus 4ab. So minus 9 plus 4, I've taken both are like terms, so I can add them. So minus 9 plus 4 abc. So minus 9 plus 4, one is minus, other is plus. What I should do? I should minus them. So 9 minus 4, 5. Which number is greater, 9 or 4? 9 is greater. What is its sign? Minus. So I have written minus. So minus 5 ABC. Okay. I hope it will take time, children, but you will understand through practice. Okay. So view this, please go through this video again and again to understand in details. Thank you so much and take care.